Welcome back to Chemistry Corner, children. In this video, we will discuss aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid chemical test part of it. So here the first question, distinguish between propanol and propanone. So here we have to write the test name and reagent, which compound will undergo the test. Test name is tolerance test. Reagent is ammonical silver nitrate. Propanol being an aldehyde, it forms silver mirror. Whereas propanone is a ketone, which does not form silver mirror. Another test, positive test for propanone, Acetophenone test. So the reagent is iodine in presence of NaOH, or we say NaOI, sodium hypoiodide. So in propanol, it does not form any LOPPT. Whereas in propanone, it forms LOPPT. This question here is, distinguish between acetophenone and benzophenone. So on knowing that structure, acetophenone is a methyl ketone. So it forms LOPPT with iodine and NaOH. That is Acetophenone test it answers. Whereas benzophenone, in that no such reaction with iodine and NaOH. Next test is distinguish between phenol and benzoic acid. So here neutral ferric chloride test. Reagent is neutral ferric chloride. So if phenol, it forms violet coloration. In benzoic acid, no such reactions. Whereas the next test, sodium bicarbonate test. Here phenol does not form any brisk effervescence, whereas benzoic acid forms brisk effervescence of carbon dioxide gas. Next question is benzoic acid and ethyl benzoate. Distinguish between benzoic acid and ethyl benzoate. Here benzoic acid being an acid gives brisk effervescence with the sodium bicarbonate, whereas ethyl benzoate does not give any brisk effervescence. Next is compound is pentane 2-one and pentane 3-one. Distinguish between pentane 2-one and pentane 3-one. So when we write the structure, we come to know pentane 2-one is methyl ketone. So all the methyl ketone will answer Acetophenone test. So in this reagent is iodine and NaOH. So pentane 2-one forms LOPPT, whereas pentane 3-one does not form any LOPPT. Next question, distinguish between benzaldehyde and acetophenone. Here benzaldehyde is an aldehyde, but it is an aromatic aldehyde. So here we should be very careful. We have to choose only tolerance test. We should not go for filling test, because benzaldehyde also does not respond for filling test, as well as acetophenone, which is a ketone, that also does not respond for filling test. So here benzaldehyde being an aromatic aldehyde, we have to write only tolerance test. So in this the reagent is ammonical silver nitrate. Benzaldehyde forms silver mirror, whereas acetophenone does not give this test. The next question is ethanol and propanol. Here we can see both are aldehyde. So we can't write tolerance or fillings, both will answer. So while writing that chemical formula, we come to know that near C double bond O, the neighboring group is CH3. So it will answer for Acetophenone test. Reagent is iodine and NaOH. So ethanol forms LOPPT, whereas propanol does not form LOPPT. Thank you, children.